First of all, with our AI ML algorithms, we're automatically detecting targets, for instance, people or vehicles. And what we're doing is automatically sending that information into CX Edge, taking information from multiple sensors and puts them all in one place that's easy to visualize and analyze. So today we're out flying drones and pulling in video feeds. So with CX Watch, that really helps us out because we're able to see all the video feeds simultaneously. That helps us view the output of our AI and ML algorithms and also view the raw feed simultaneously. At the same time, we're able to use CX Aware and view the data output of our AI ML algorithms. And what I mean by that is we're able to see the locations and the footprints of the people and vehicles we're detecting and overlay that on a map in real time.
Now that I've started a mission, all of the data is starting to transfer from the actual drone platform itself through data link down to the ground control station. And so that includes video, and once you take off, it starts producing metadata.
Before CX Edge, many end users had to deal with the hassle of pulling their data off every different sensor and then analyzing them separately. Now with CX Edge, they can easily visualize and analyze their data all in one place. CX Edge also allows data to be sent to CX Maps, where we can generate shapefiles or KML files to send to any other organizations or units in the field.
I think it's really cool that you can kind of aggregate and combine if you have a lot of different sensors that might have their own control platforms and tablets for viewing the video feeds, to be able to kind of view them all together and also be able to run all that analytics together in one place on a bunch of different various sensors. There are 3 additional capabilities as well, including CX Search, CX Drive, and CX Secure. All the data that we collect and store using CX Drive can be tagged and analyzed to later be searched using CX Search. Lastly, CX Secure can provide security and provision roles, groups, and users for that data.
You'll have sensors from multiple different manufacturers, from different places. None of them are intended to really work together and integrate together. And what we do is we bring all of these different sensors from completely different companies and bring them together in one place for the end user to be able to easily use.